Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to backup and restore Telegram chats on Android or even iOS for easy 2025 tutorials. Now right here, I want you to first check on your software if you have the latest version available to your end. This also applies if you're using iOS or Android. So simply go to your settings and basically look for software update. On iOS, it should be under general and look for software update on that one. And I think for Android devices, settings and the verse settings right there would be your software update. Just make sure you have the latest one. On my end, it's going to be 18.5. Moving forward for this one, once you're good with that one, open up your Telegram account. So let me just open my end right there. I'm going to use sample group here. I think I have one. I'm going to go with this one. So how can we save, basically backup, save, or make sure we have the backup chats on our Telegram? There are going to be only two ways here. First is to screenshot your conversation. For example, right there, if I took a screenshot right here, I can now screenshot that one. Or you can basically copy the text. That's how you really back up your Telegram chats. Just basically taking a screenshot and copying the text. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.